O'zim Qo'qonlik bo'laman. 22 yildan beri yashab yerda turaman. Men yana O'zbekiston Baganara Colombia 3-0.
And you visited Uzbekistan?
Yeah.
Okay, which cities did you go to?
I went to Tashkent, Bukhara, and I can remember the other one.
Samarkand?
Yeah!
My father is from Uzbekistan.
Your father is from Uzbekistan?
Yes.
And your mother?
My mother is Mexican.
Something like that?
Who went?
You are.
Eng ko'p gol kim urdi? Bahri urdilar eng ko'p gol.
Kim bilir pasa. Kanavada call you. Kanavada. This guy ready.
Stadion endi to'lyapti. 80 mingdan oshiq odamlar birga birinchi o'yinni ko'ramiz O'zbekiston futbol tarixidagi. Barobar!